Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix FaceTime and iMessage notification. If you are facing this type of notification in your iPhone screen again and again and you want to turn it off, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to scroll it down and just simply go to messages and turn off this toggle, and then go back and look at for FaceTime and turn off this toggle again. And now after that, close this page from here, and you have to open setting again, then look at for notifications. Okay guys, then scroll it down from here and look at for FaceTime, and if this toggle is turned on, so you have to turn off notification from here, and again look at for iMessage and you have to turn off this toggle. And after that, you have to close this page, and after that your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.